Codeium just released their new text editor called Windsurf, and oh my, it is seriously impressive, and I believe it has the power to change the way us programmers program forever. So what is Windsurf then? Windsurf is an AI-powered text editor that very much resembles Visual Studio Code. Windsurf introduces Cascade, an AI specifically designed for programming and helping developers. On their website, they describe it as the most powerful way to code with AI. With this new AI integration, they promise to provide full contextual awareness, suggests and command runs, multi-file editing, and way more. Alright, enough talk, let's try this thing out. On macOS, installing Windsurf is very simple. Just download the installer from the official Codeium website and open it up. Drag Windsurf into the Applications folder and it's done. Windsurf is also available on Windows and Linux, so don't worry, everyone's good to go. One neat feature when installing Windsurf is the ability to import your VS Code settings. So if you're coming from VS Code, you're already good to go, just like that. Opening up Windsurf for the first time, you're greeted with a, in my opinion, cleaner VS Code looking layout with the addition of Cascade on the right. Here in the background, it's me testing out some of the features that Windsurf provides. Like the AI, for example, I'm making it do some basic work with classes within Python. This footage is sped up 1000%, but trust me, this AI is fast. Now, let's take a look at the chatbot on the right. I'll ask Cascade to add code to make the classes be printed nicely. First, it analyzes my code, tells me what changes it'll make, and finally edits the file. Very impressive. Also, look at this. It gave me the option to run the code after clicking except it said it couldn't find the interpreter, it searches for it on my system, and gives me another prompt to instead use Python 3 this time. I click accept, it works, and it shows me the results in the prompt window. Now, that seriously impressed me how it was able to do that. Another thing I found very impressive and cool were these quick tools found at the top of the editor window. There's 3. Explain, refactor, and add docstring. Let's start with add docstring. Put your cursor on the section of code you would like docstring to be added to, and it pretty much instantly adds it. Amazing if you work within a team because, let's be honest, no one likes documenting their own code. Let's move on to the explain feature. Explain is pretty self-explanatory, it explains the code. As you can see, Cascade gives me an explanation of what is going on in this class. Pretty cool if you ask me. And finally, the refactor tools. Refactor gives you several different things you could do to the code. As an example, here I clicked on Generate Unit Tests. It then swiftly analyzes the class and creates a unit test for that class. Just wow. There are many other features as shown here by the official Codeium YouTube channel. Check them out after this video. They did an amazing job on this tool and I recommend you give it a try. I will be using this as my main editor for the next couple of weeks, so we'll see how that goes. If you want a video talking about my experience with it, let me know in the comments section. And one more thing, do you think this will replace us programmers in the future? Is AI taking over us?